Now, it's not just in UP that you're seeing essentially a challenge playing out right now for the BJP. In Maharashtra, tensions are brewing within the ruling Mahayuti coalition just months before the assembly elections in the state. A mutiny, if you will, has erupted in Ajit Pawar's NCP over assembly poll tickets. It's something that you say every single time, but here's why it hurts Ajit Pawar. 4 senior leaders from the faction, frustrated over being denied tickets despite intense lobbying, have now switched allegiance. They've moved from Ajit Pawar to uncle, to Sharad Pawar's camp. Here's more in our next report.
Rumbling in Maharashtra's ruling Mahayuti just months ahead of the assembly polls. This time, a mutiny in Ajit Pawar's NCP over assembly poll tickets. Denied tickets for Bhosari's seat despite hectic lobbying, 4 senior leaders of Ajit Pawar NCP jumped ship and joined Sharad Pawar faction. The turncoats include Pimpri Chinchwad Unit Chief Ajit Gawane, a student unit chief and 2 sitting corporators.
2017 से यहाँ पे पिंपरी चिंचवड में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की यहाँ पे पीसीएमसी में उनका जो रूलिंग वो कर रहे हैं, तो उस वक्त से पीसीएमसी में जो डेवलपमेंट हुई है वो गलत तरीके से यहाँ पे भ्रष्टाचार भी बहुत हुआ है और इसके लिए जिम्मेदार यहाँ के जो सिटिंग एमएलए है वो इसके लिए जिम्मेदार है।
The Sharad camp welcomed the rebels and termed it a vindication of Sharad Pawar's leadership.
आदरणीय पवार साहेब महाराष्ट्राच्या आणि देशाच्या राजकारणात कार्यरत आहेत आणि त्यांच्या नेतृत्वावर फक्त आमचाही विश्वास तर आहेच, सामान्य मायबाप जनतेने तर साथ दिलीच आहे, आशीर्वाद दिलेला आहे, पण काही विरोधकही आज आदरणीय पवार साहेबांकडेच अपेक्षेने बघतात. ह्याच्यातच सगळ्या प्रश्नांची उत्तर.
Meanwhile, RSS mouthpiece blamed BJP's tie-up with the NCP for the Lok Sabha poll debacle. The RSS organ said that voters found the alliance unnatural.
अब आरएसएस ने जो एक भूमिका ली है अजीत पवार के बारे में, उस बारे में जो अंतिम फैसला है वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेतृत्व को लेना है, हमको नहीं लेना है। तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी का नेतृत्व आरएसएस और आपस का जो विषय है उसको सॉल्व करे और अजीत पवार के लिए आगे क्या करना है वो उनका एक अंतिम निर्णय हो सकता है। उस बारे में वो एक फैसला कर सकते हैं।
हमारे कैंडिडेट को
Pimpri Chinchwad is considered Ajit Pawar's stronghold. Will the dissent spell trouble for him in upcoming polls? Bureau Report, India Today.
All right, let's bring in Sahil Joshi on this broadcast, who's joining us live from Mumbai. Sahil, good evening. 4 senior leaders dumping the Ajit Pawar faction, making their way back and swearing allegiance to Sharad Pawar. With months to go for the assembly elections, how big a setback is this? How influential were these leaders, Sahil?
Well, Akshata, if you look at the scheme of things in the state, you can term them as local leaders from the Pune district. But it shows a trend. The seat sharing talks are yet to begin, and before that, in anticipation, where there is already a BJP existing MLA in that particular area, the NCP Ajit Pawar camp leaders who are opting for the ticket from NCP now. Are definitely thinking about the options before the assembly elections. They have realized that because it's a sitting seat of the BJP, there is a possibility that they might not be considered for the assembly elections. So before that, they have already jumped the side and moved over towards NCP SP because in the Mahavikas Aghadi, they think that there is a possibility of getting that particular seat. So it is going to be a tough challenge for parties like NCP. With Ajit Pawar and also for Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena, because the more and more the seat sharing, the assembly elections will come closer and the seat sharing talks will begin. The existing Mahayuti will face a larger challenge because they already have almost 205 MLAs on their side. By retaining those number of seats to the respective parties, say for an example, the BJP is trying to retain all the 105 seats which they have already won in 2019. in those particular seats, wherever there is a possible candidate from NCP AP may think that there is no political future in that constituency, so he may opt for somebody from Maha Vikas Aghadi. So, rather than how big that leader is, one can see the trend which has already begun. We saw some leaders switching over to NCP SP during the Lok Sabha elections, say for an example in Ahmednagar, where the sitting member of parliament from NCP SP was with NCP Ajit Pawar, and just before the Lok Sabha elections he switched over to NCP SP to get a ticket to contest from the Lok Sabha elections. Similarly, what we saw in Bid as well, and of course in Bhiwandi Lok Sabha seats, all these 3 seats were won by NCP SP in Lok Sabha elections. So this is a trend what we can see, which will be which is developing, and which will see a growth as we will approach the assembly elections in some more time.
Sahil, just a quick response from you on the RSS's comment here, where they've said, that there was lack of communication, and that's what's led to issues for the alliance.
Well, Akshita, it's very interesting that every interval, especially immediately after the Lok Sabha election results on 4th of June, there were multiple articles and multiple reactions come from the BJP leadership as well as from the RSS side. The first article was written by Ratan Sharda, the RSS ideologue and organizer, and almost after a month, Vivek, which is a weekly organ of RSS, have come up with kind of a survey. It's kind of a reportage after speaking to various BJP workers and the workers who are working in various fields from the RSS. They have expressed their displeasure of the BJP leadership's decision to go along with Ajit Pawar in Maharashtra and forming government. They have also raised questions about the image which the BJP received in Maharashtra of kind of a washing machine, changing their stand on corruption and various other issues, not getting enough opportunities within the BJP because of the incoming in the BJP during elections. So, there are various issues which have been raised by the BJP political workers and have been now, given a voice in the form of this article in Weekly Vivek, which is an organ of RSS. Interestingly, the BJP leadership and Ajit Pawar camp has also have already made it clear that the upcoming assembly elections will be fought together. So we'll have to wait and see whether the RSS mind over their alliance with the Ajit Pawar will be heard by the BJP leadership or not.
Yeah, we'll have to see whether the RSS kind of tunes down their criticism or continues on this path. Thanks very much, Sahil, for joining us with your perspective also on this big story coming in from Maharashtra. All of this playing out with just months to go for the assembly election in the state.